We have another example on the board. Again, we're supposed to find the slope of the tangent to the given curve at the value of x equal 3, right, in the first quadrant. So in the first quadrant means that we have to have both coordinates x and y positive. So let's take a look what we can do over here. First, we're supposed to find the derivative of this implicit relation. So again, let's do everything step by step. So I have derivative of x squared over dx plus the derivative of y squared over dx is equal derivative of constant with respect to x. Next, we're supposed to find the derivative of x squared. So this is 2x, and I have dx over dx plus 2y dy over dx, and this is equal 0. Next, we have 2x dx over dx is equal 1, I don't write it, plus 2y, and I have dy over dx is equal 0. Next, I'm going to move 2x to the right side, so I have 2y dy over dx is equal negative 2x. Next, I'm supposed to divide both sides of my equation by 2y. 2y and 2y will cancel out, 2 and 2 will cancel out, and I have dy over dx, this is equal negative x over y. Next, please realize that we have given value of x. X is equal 3. Next, we're supposed to find the value of y. Y I'm going to find from this relation. Okay, so we have x squared plus y squared is equal 16. I'm copying this down again. And in order to find y, I'm going to move my x squared to the right side. So if y squared is equal 16 minus x squared. Next, we're supposed to take the square root of both sides of the equation. So I'm going to have y is equal plus minus square root 16 minus x squared. My x is equal 3. That's why I'm going to write this as 3 squared. This is equal plus minus square root 16 minus 9 is equal 7. Okay, we found value of y. We found two answers, positive and negative. Because the problem is asking me to find the slope of the tangent to the given curve in the first quadrant, right, I'm supposed to choose the positive answer. Why? Because y coordinate in the first quadrant is always positive. So in order to find the slope, I'm going to simply write that m is equal, I'm supposed to copy down the negative sign, and x is equal 3 over y, we said has to be positive, square root of 7. If you are going to apply these numbers into the calculator, perform the division, you're supposed to obtain negative 1.1338. Okay, and this is the slope, right, of the tangent to this curve in the first quadrant. So this is my solution to this problem.